Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. In today's video we're going to be giving you a quick overview on how to use the Brake Rewind Tool, as you can see here in front of you. These are really inexpensive kits. These can be purchased on eBay and Amazon for about $25 to $30, and they'll do any car, any make or model on the market, and they'll last for years. So they really are an excellent investment. And these are mainly for the rear calipers, but there's also a tool in here for rewinding front calipers as well. So we're going to have a look at this tool in a little bit more detail, explain how it works, and give you some examples. Now, something to bear in mind if you're thinking of buying a tool for rewinding your brake calipers, you can buy these quite inexpensive little cubes. These are about half the price. These are probably about $15, $10 to $15, and they can be okay some of the time. You do have to kind of force them in with pressure and turn at the same time. These just attach onto a standard 3/8 wrench. And what I found in the past is you don't end up having the exact kind of combination of teeth that you actually need for the job. So I found these to sometimes be quite useful and sometimes to be quite useless. And to be honest, if you're going to spend $10 on this, you might as well get rid of that and spend $25 to $30 and get the proper set, which will last you forever. So the basics of this, as you can see, we've got all these various discs all throughout this set, and the basics of this is these come in different sizes for different makes and models. And you see these got these kind of little teeth on them, these little nodules, and on the rear calipers of your car, you'll notice that there'll be usually a couple of slots or V's or something of that nature. And what you want to do is find the corresponding plate that actually fits into the rear caliper piston on your car, and that's going to be this is going to be the actual thing that turns your piston and rewinds it back into the caliper itself. In addition to all of the discs, you have two versions of the main tool itself. You might be wondering, why is there two? They look exactly the same. And the reason being is they actually turn in different directions. One will turn to the right, one will turn to the left. This is especially important because for different makes and models, the direction in which the caliper rewinds can be different. Some will wind clockwise, others will be counterclockwise, and so you've got a version of either depending on the make and model of your car. And the other thing you have right here in the center is this little plate, and this is absolutely essential for doing any of the jobs, and you're going to be using this every time. So the way that this works, you'd find the correct tool, clockwise or anti-clockwise, for your application. And you're actually going to feed the plate over the top of the tool, and that's going to sit there in that manner. And then next, what you want to do is you want to find the correct disc that fits your particular rear caliper. Once you have that, it's got a magnet in the center here, and that just snaps into place like so. So next what you'll do is you'll rewind it back so it's quite small, and you'll slide that into your caliper, and this will go into the center of the piston. So you'll start to unscrew this, and it will get wider. The plate will catch on the arms of the caliper, and these pins will lock into the groove, the little cutouts that are on there. And then the whole thing will get to a point where it gets really tight. And then at that stage, once you're tight, you can actually use the arm on the end, and as you can see, that rotates the tool on the end. I'm going the wrong direction. That will start to rewind the caliper. So as you can see, as it rewinds, it's making this gap bigger, and so this is forcing the helping to force the piston back into place. And so you just keep going in that manner, and that will continue to rewind that piston back into the caliper. And once you get to the stage where you're fully rewound, you can just slacken this off, remove this, and then you're ready to fit your brand new rear brake pads and slot your caliper back in over the top. And I also mentioned that you can use this on your front brakes as well. They include this plate here that doesn't actually have any little teeth on it. It's smooth, comes in 3 different sizes, as you can see. And it's smooth on the inside as well. So when that snaps onto there, that plate is just free to spin. And so what you'll do on the front brakes is you can just jam that in, and that will just force that. It will just spin on itself and keep forcing that front caliper piston back into the body of the caliper. Remember, on front brakes you don't have the little teeth, because you don't have to rewind it in a circular motion. You can literally just push it straight back in. So this is the ideal little adapter for use for your front calipers. So there we have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We really do appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, please support us, give our videos the thumbs up, and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and we'll see you again in the future.